Hey guys, welcome back to the BeDistinct channel. We are in the Nissan Z, of course, once again, and we are going to be taking it to get its second mod. Actually, I'm not even sure if people consider this a mod, but the car's gonna change. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it helps a ton, and comment down below what do you guys think. We're headed to the shop right now to go get the mod installed. I'm not even gonna say mod, it's tint, guys. It's tint. We're gonna go install tint. Only thing I'm kind of iffy about is that I'm not sure if I want to go full 5%, guys. I love the features of the car, and I would really enjoy for you guys to see it as well. I don't want them super dark. I want them dark enough so that I'm protected from the sun, but I don't want it dark enough where you cannot see the inside. I want you guys to see the inside because it is super nice in here, and I got an air tank in the back so you guys can display that as well. So we're gonna figure it out over there once we get to the shop. We're going over to Elite Audio and Tint. They're the same folks who installed the double din on my G35, and they installed the front windshield tint on my G35. So they're good folks, they do a good job, and we're gonna get over there and install tint for the. And you know what's even crazier, guys? When I was at the shop with my G35 installing my double din, this was about a year and a half ago, or like almost 2 years ago. There was talks about the Nissan Z out lurking, and me and the shop owner, my friend, were like, bro, like it would be cool if we could have the Nissan Z as the next build here on the channel. And now, a year and a half later, here we are sitting in the Nissan Z, heading over to his shop to get it tinted. Crazy how you speak it into existence and it happens, man. It's so crazy. Also, guys, for those who are watching this video right now and follow me because of my G35, guys, recently, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, recently I've been thinking about selling my G35 recently. It's not anything financially, it's just that I've now driven the Z almost 1,100 miles. I've driven this and I've fallen in love, man. The Z looks absolutely phenomenal. It drives like a dream. It's butter smooth. Obviously, it's a newer car. The power delivery is just so much better. I feel like it's even faster. We're gonna race on that, video's coming, but I feel like this is faster. And I pretty much have no use for the G35, guys. I have no use for it, and so I'm not sure what to do with that. I'd rather sell it and start even another build, guys. Like start another build, maybe like a different brand now, like a Honda brand or a Lexus, or just start a different build. Also, some other stuff coming up. We have a full set of downpipes. It's a full downpipe, not just lower. It's a full downpipe, and that's coming in Monday, and we're gonna be installing. But you can actually switch the cluster, so you can go here and then normal. There's that one. What do you guys think? And then there's the enhanced view. I don't know exactly what that enhanced view is, but that's what it is. There you go.
All right, man, we about to see.
All right, first reactions of the Z, guys.
First reaction.
Okay. We're gonna try to go before the freaking trailer.
Oh, damn, we got a truck cover right there. All right, let's see. First time.
All right, ready?
Yup.
Here we go.
Got me kind of nervous, man. Yo! This thing gets it. Bro! What? No way. Can I say the speed we're hitting right now? Huh? Can I say the speed we're hitting right now?
Bro, no. We're hitting limit, bro. What's the limit here?
We in Mexico. Wildest thing about it is I looked up and I thought you had it in kilometers.
Oh, kilometers?
Because I looked up, I was like, we cannot be going that fast right now. Sure. Whoa. Okay. Oh man. Yep.
Yeah, that thing feels freaking.
That thing. It's so smooth. Okay. Woo! Second gear burn out. Did you let this thing break in yet?
Oh shit. Alright guys, going in for tint. See how it looks afterwards. I decided to go with like a little lighter tint just because I really want, like my G, it's super dark 5, and don't get me, it looks super sick, but like I wish you guys can see the seats inside, the gauges and stuff like that, and people can't see it because it's 5% tint. So with this one, we're gonna go a little bit lighter. We're gonna go 35, so you guys can see everything inside the seats, the interior. You guys can see the air tank in the back, and it still has like max heat rejection, so it'll be good. Like I will be good inside, and you guys get to see inside. Yes, sir. We're at Elite's Audio and Tint, man. Yeah, it's like a video game.
Oh snap!
That's fire.
That's sick. That's a sick that's a sick splash screen.
Looking good. Hell yeah. Looks good. As we are officially done with the tint, as you guys can see, it looks like there's no tint. Like, it's beautiful. It's ceramic tint, the highest grade. Like, the heat rejection is super high, and we decided to go with the 35. Like I said, guys, I'm kind of over that dark tint, man. It looks nice, don't get me wrong. It's super, you know, murdered out and everything. It looks sick, don't get me wrong, but at night you can see absolutely, especially if you have a winded.
Stay in the second lane from the right.
Come on, Siri. Especially if you have a tinted front windshield, bro, you cannot see anything, bro. And so this is gonna let me see at night. Plus, I wanted you guys to see the interior. I want people, come on, Siri. I want people to see the interior, guys. I really do, because this interior is just, it's cool, it's nice. Huge shout out to Elite Audio and Tint, man. They are the boys. They always hook me up. They're family, and dude, they just do an awesome job. So if you guys need tint or anything, they're located in El Grove area. Check them out, guys. They do some awesome work, and dude, this, I took my Z here, so that should tell you something, bro. Like, now we are going to be coming back to PPF, the Nissan Z here, so we gotta stay tuned for that. But for right now, we're headed home. We're gonna schedule that for another day, and we got some more stuff coming, man. We're working. I'm working in the background for you guys. I feel like I'm cheating on the G35. It really does feel like that. And on that note, we're gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I have some news for you though. I think we may be driving the Nissan Z back to Los Angeles again. Crazy, man. We might be driving this another 1,000 miles, which is crazy, but I'm telling you guys, everything is in LA, and so we're going over there for a K&N sponsorship, and we are in the works with 2 other sponsors while I'm down there. So hopefully they can come through. They're big brand companies, so hopefully that comes through. With that being said, thank you guys for all the support. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I need all the support right now as possible. I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace.